My name is KJ. I'm standing in the finished construction work done in my bathroom. I called Pinnacle Restoration. They came out immediately and did an excellent job on refurbishing this bathroom. They removed the ceiling walls and the side walls, and they did an excellent job. And I wouldn't hesitate to recommend your company, Pinnacle Restoration, to anyone interested in mold removal. Pinnacle Restoration workers were very nice. The staff was nice. They always told me ahead of time when they're coming out, and they came as they had said they would. And it was very easy to work with them. And they did a real thorough job. Very satisfied with it.